What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And my
Are you gonna have tuna if it's National Tuna Day?
no, I don't like tuna. Tuna's gross. So my dog still has the football from the last video. Oh, hit flip.
They say when it's National Tuna Day, we have tuna.
No tuna. That's gross. If you like tuna, that's bad. Blech. Well, I don't want to slip. Guys, when I was playing a football game once with my whole family, it was so funny. My dog had the ball. We were both running. We got the touchdown, and also we both slipped into a tree. Well, almost into a tree, and we were all muddy. Oh, wait. I forgot. I gotta flip it like that. Hallelujah. Oh, my dog is 8 months, I think. We got him in August. He was born in May, so probably 8 months. Or maybe Friday he turns 8 months. On his birthday, he turned 7. Oh, by the way, I'm 8. Well, my dog, he turns 1 on his birthday. But in dog years, he actually turns 7. So he'll be 1 year younger than me. Wah! Oh, wah! Oh, wah! Wah! Da 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 da. My dad's working on our hockey rink. Rah! It gotta get cold enough. It gotta be under the 30s. Today's like the 40s or something. 39, something like that. Oh, he dropped his football. Oh, no, he got it back. Oh, he dropped it. Oh, and he just made a puddle of mud. He just slipped in that. Who got the football? You got the football? Do you have the football? If you don't have the football, then who does? You know! My dog, Bauer, he's like the best running back. If you see me and my dad, my dad was QB, and I stink of a wide receiver. Yeah, my dad says I'm better at quarterback than wide receiver. Well, I'm getting better for a wide receiver, not that good. Here's his little Yankee bat. What is it doing out here? And it's all snowy on the back. Bauer's like, oh, who dropped the football? Oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt my leg. You okay, buddy? I didn't mean to hit you. I didn't mean to hit you with my foot. Oh, guys, last video. What was I gonna say? Oh, so I forgot to say, like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Oh my God, he's hugging me. He's hugging me. Get off. He's hugging me. He's hugging me. Get off. What are you doing? He's hugging me. He's hugging me. He's like my backpack. Oh, I'm gonna get the football first. Oh, he's hubbing me again. I got the football. That's gross. Get the football. Get the football. What is he doing? Well, he's hubbing me again. He's hubbing me. He's hubbing me. Guys, he's probably gonna hug me again. I think he's gonna go pee. I got the football. Hey guys, my football has like plays on it. Hey Bauer, wait, hit flip. Wait. Ah. Okay, Bauer. Look, watch. When I throw the ball, he goes crazy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video. Like, subscribe, and he's hubbing me again.
Hey, Rockers. Bauer down.
He's hubbing me again.
Get him on here.
He's hubbing me. Oh, I almost stepped on him. Hey. Like, subscribe, and turn on the post